Friends, when it comes to welding, there are some common misconceptions. Many people think traditional welding methods are always the best, but in fact, laser welding has some outstanding advantages that are often overlooked. Let's start with precision. Laser welding is like a master calligrapher writing with a fine-tipped pen. Traditional welding might be like using a paintbrush to draw a detailed picture. With laser welding, we can achieve extremely precise welds. For example, in the manufacturing of high-end electronic devices such as smartphones, where tiny components need to be joined accurately, laser welding can precisely connect these small parts without causing damage to the surrounding areas. This is crucial because in electronics, even a small error in welding can lead to device malfunctions. Another great advantage is speed. Laser welding is like a high-speed train compared to the slow-moving traditional welding methods. In mass production industries, time is money. For instance, in the automotive industry, when manufacturing car bodies, laser welding can quickly join different metal parts together. This not only shortens the production cycle but also increases the overall production efficiency. In addition, laser welding offers excellent quality. It produces welds with high strength and good appearance. Think of it as building a strong and beautiful bridge. The welds made by laser welding have fewer defects such as porosity and cracks, which means the welded products are more reliable and durable. This is very important for applications where safety and long-term performance are required, like in the aerospace industry. So, friends, next time you're involved in a project that requires welding, you might want to consider laser welding. Do you think laser welding could be a game changer in your industry? Share your thoughts in the comments below.